Let's get started. My aim क्या है? Our aim is to learn how to do STQA practicals. ये practicals में अपने पास क्या-क्या है? पहले अपने को सब फाइल्स डाउनलोड करना है. डाउनलोड फाइल्स. स्टेप क्या है? अपने को जार क्रिएट प्रोजेक्ट इक्लिप्स लॉन्च करेंगे, उसमें एक प्रोजेक्ट बनाएंगे. थर्ड स्टेप इंपोर्ट जार्स. जार फाइल्स इंपोर्ट करेंगे. फोर्थ स्टेप सेट कंपाइलर वर्जन. कंपाइलर का वर्जन प्रॉपर सेट करेंगे. फिफ्थ स्टेप कोड. कोड करेंगे. सिक्स्थ स्टेप सॉल्व एनी एरर इफ एनी. लेट्स होप कि एरर ना आए, लेकिन अगर आता है तो एरर रिजॉल्व करेंगे. एंड सेवन स्टेप रन. टोटल सेवन स्टेप प्रोसेस विल डू ऑल दैट. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट स्टेप सेलेनियम जार्स डाउनलोड करना है. सेलेनियम जार्स डाउनलोड करने के लिए सिंपली टाइप सेलेनियम jars download. First website आएगा selenium.dev. You go here, you download, you see this version 4.16. I am using this version, it works for me, so I'm gonna download it. I click on it, it should start downloading. Hide. Let's just create a new folder. tutorial tutorial and ये zip यहाँ पे अपन सेव कर लेते हैं. एक फाइल डाउनलोड हो गया. नेक्स्ट फाइल क्या चाहिए हम लोग को चाहिए क्रोम ड्राइवर. एक होता है क्रोम ड्राइवर चाहिए. तो वो कैसे करेंगे? यू सर्च क्रोम ड्राइवर डाउनलोड फॉर सेलेनियम. क्रोम ड्राइवर डाउनलोड फॉर सेलेनियम. chromedriver.chromium.org. That's your friend. You go there, you download version 104 or whatever you feel like downloading, but gonna download version 104 because it works for me. Version 104 मेरे को सामने दिखाई दे रहा है. I'll click on it. We need to be very specific here. Chrome driver underscore win32.zip, and this is for version 104. Okay, remember that 104. You download it in the same location ताकि अपने को बाद में headache कम हो. Okay, we are downloading jars and then Chrome driver. What's the third thing we require? Yes, we will require 104 version का Chrome. So how will you download old version Chrome? Old version Chrome download. See SlimJet वाला website slimjet.com. You go there. You scroll down 32-bit वाले section में से 104 is on the top. And on the top, you click on it, and tutorial वाले file में .exe file, you download it. It's downloading. Let's give it a minute while it's downloading. Now I won't be editing this video, so everything will be in real time. So 30 seconds, 20 seconds, let it happen. What's going on here? Everything looks good. So we needed 3 files. All 3 files are downloaded. Yes, all 3 files are downloaded. Let's go to the file location tutorial. We needed these 3 files. We do require another type of jar files, POI jars, but we'll do it later. Let's get done with this first. So Selenium Java, this file we have, Chromium WebDriver we have, and we have Java Chrome का standalone setup of version 104. Keep in mind that Chrome driver का version and Chrome standalone setup का version should be same. Let's get the Chrome installed. It might be a bit slow. Don't have the best system here, but let's get done with. Select yes, and the Chrome installation has started. So in the meantime, the Chrome is being installed, connecting the waiting for download and all that. We will extract Chrome driver. Right click on it, extract here, and it's extracted. Selenium jars also will extract files. Click on OK, and it will be extracted. It's installing good. So now we have Selenium Java 4.16.1. These are our jar files, and then Chrome driver.exe. अपने को ये दोनों चीज़ का रिक्वायरमेंट है. Selenium jars में जाने का, lib पे जाने का, click on Control A, select all, Control C, copy everything, and paste it in the main file. Like lib के बाहर आ जाओ, Selenium वाला जो फाइल है उसके अंदर पेस्ट कर दो. The reason we did that because अपने को import करते टाइम पे lib के अंदर जाके एक बार import करना, फिर बाहर आके एक बार import करना नहीं है. Chrome install हो गया. Don't keep it open for long. Close it. We go to drive C. We go to program files. Program files में you have Google. You click on Google. You got Chrome. Chrome recovery. It's not here. Program files में नहीं है. तो where would it be? अगर program files में नहीं मिला तो program files 86 में जाने का. Here it is. We have Google. Here we have Chrome, not Chrome. We have to go to update. The reason we have to go to update, you see this file, Google update.exe. Change the name of this file, delete this file. I'll delete this file simply. Yes, continue. I'll give it the permission. The reason we are giving the permission because Chrome has this, what do you call it? It's a bug. For us, it is a bug that it auto updates itself. We don't want it to auto update. So now we have a version of Chrome 104 installed that won't update when we use it. So let's verify that. Let's just run Chrome, open, screen. You see there should be error. Reinstall Chrome, can't update Chrome. This is what we need to see. You go to setting, you go to about Chrome to verify 104 वाला version है, very good. 32-bit, official build, all that shit. Let's close it. We don't keep the Chrome open. It would be harmful for us. It might update itself. Who knows? It's Google. Now you launch Eclipse. This is your Eclipse का window. It might look different from you, but this is what will come up end of the day. अपने को ऊपर के इस सेक्शन से मतलब है अभी इधर फाइल पे जाने का, न्यू पे जाने का, जावा प्रोजेक्ट. In case if you can't see Java project file there, on file, click on new, you go to others, you search for Java projects. Java, Java projects आया, you click on next, give it a name, STQA tutorials, good, you click on finish. We have our STQA tutorials done, this ready, good. So we are done with download files. We have created a project. Next step, import jars. Good. Let's import the jars. STQ tutorial. We just created this project, right? You right click on the project. You go to build path. Build path में there will be configure build path. You click on configure build path. Class path दिख रहा है class path. You click on class path. Add external jars. Good. Add external jars पे you click. Now what you have to do is you track down कि अपन ने किधर डाउनलोड किया था वो अपना जार फाइल्स इधर एक्सट्रैक्ट करके रखा हुआ है. Tutorials, Selenium, Java, Cotter files, Control A. Every file is selected. We unselect lib. Don't want that. Good. Click on open, and all the jar files we require are imported. You click on apply, then you click on apply and close, and jar files are imported. You see reference libraries where you will be able to see all the jar files that are imported. Isn't that great? You see here module hyphen info.java will delete this file later because it creates issue in some cases, but no, not now. क्या हो गया अपना jars import हो गया. jars import होने के बाद set compiler version. Now this is a very important step. इधर ही आके सब फंसेंगे. I'm telling you, like you code everything, you do everything, बाद में पता चलता है वो import ही नहीं हो रहा है. So how do you resolve this issue? That issue. So you go to properties. After importing the jars, you set the compiler version. So how to set the compiler version? STQ tutorial. This is a project. You right click on it. Properties. Properties में जाके you go to Java compiler. Java compiler में गए. Top पे you see the checkbox. Enable project specific settings. You click it. It is supposed to be enabled. You see compliance level. It's on 90. Change it to 1.8. Apply. Yes. Apply and close. Done. Some errors came up. We'll resolve them afterwards. For now, what's the next step? Set compiler version. Now let's code. Code करने का is simple. You click on src का file. You right click on it. You create a new package first. Package name is stqtutorials.t4 because I'm doing practical code for now. A package is created. You right click on the package. You create a new class. Class name क्या है? P4. Good. I'll include public static void main. I'll include the main function ताकि code ना करना पड़े. I'll click on finish and we have P4 here ready to go. Good. Now let's code in it. Or what I would do is I will copy paste the code like you all do in the exams. P4 ka I got the code here. I just copy it and this is our file that we just created. Let's paste it here. Paste it here. You save it and wow, no errors. It should run. If it runs, it would be great. You click on this run p4.java or you keep your cursor somewhere here like and then right click run as Java application. Oh, an error came up. I was told you ना कि कुछ errors आ सकता है तो we have to resolve this error. An error occurred while initializing of boot layer. What is this error now? How do you resolve it? वीडियो बंद कर जी एक error आया. What's the next step? We code. We resolve any errors. We have an error. Sorry. Where is the error coming? Console करेगा. We have an error. Now I am मैंने पहले भी ये error encounter किया है. So the simplest way to solve it is you see default package, you see module info.java. We don't need this file. This files create that error. कुछ तो logic है कि default package के अंदर there should only be one file and that is the file we created. अब पता नहीं automatically कैसे create होता है but we don't need it. So you click on it, right click on it, you delete this file. As soon as you delete it, it's gone. You see there are no red crosses and everything. The error is resolved. Now again you try to run it, run on Java application. And the code now here is running. Isn't it beautiful? It is beautiful. Let's wait for it to run properly. Now you see there are some errors here. Like let's let it run in the background. Unable to find CDP version of 104. You need to include dependency. प्रॉब्लम इस कि अपन जो क्रोम ड्राइवर का वर्जन इंस्टॉल किए हैं और जो क्रोम का वर्जन इंस्टॉल किए इट इज़ ऑफ द फैमिली 104 मतलब वो वर्जन का था बट इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड देयर आर सब वर्जन्स ऑफ अ सॉफ्टवेयर एंड द सब वर्जन्स ऑफ द ड्राइवर एंड द क्रोम आर डिफरेंट सो because of that you see this warning. It's a warning so it's not an error so it won't create any issue. As you can see the overall process is completed. So that's great. Let's close this up. And if you close this up before the function, before the execution is totally completed, you get this error. So that's all for this video. In the same way, you can perform other practical as well, like P5 ka practical hai. This practical. This can also no this includes this one. No? This includes Poija. Practical 8. Practical 8 WebDriver or practical you can perform in still the same manner. All the steps are same, just the code changes. Practical So practical 4, 7, 8 and 9 will be performed in the same manner. All of them requires the WebDriver and I told you how to do the whole WebDriver rollout. Practical 5 and 6 require a different kind of jar files. Those are as POI jars, POI jars. So I'll cover that in a different video if you want. Otherwise, I won't cover it at all. इधर import करना बता दिया ना. Import करो और run करो. Simple. So for the final time, let's just verify कि अपना code run हो रहा है कि नहीं. Because we need that. You right click on it. Run as Java one. Or run as Java application. It might take some time. But we will wait and verify कि अपना कोड प्रॉपर्ली रन हो रहा है. प्रैक्टिकल 4 का एम क्या था? प्रैक्टिकल 4 का एम है टू लॉग इन इनटू अ टू लाइक अपने को लॉगिन का सिनेरियो रिक्रिएट करना है. अपने सिस्टम में लॉगिन होना चाहिए. तो इफ़ यू रिमेंबर वी यूज रेडिफ फॉर द लॉगिन पर्पस. अपन ने एक अकाउंट बनाकर डेमो वाला उसमें अपन लॉगिन करते थे. So it takes a bit of time. So we have to wait. In the meantime, keep a note of these steps. Download jar files, create project, import jar files, set compiler version to point files, okay. Code, resolve any error, okay. And run. It's still running. This takes a bit of time, I don't know why. Now since I have to go, I will be going. मेरे सिस्टम पे रन करके चेक कर लेना कि रन हो रहा है कि नहीं. So it is what it is. Let's just close it and stop recording.